Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial here to help you get your agricultural jobs slides project all finished up. So in our video today, what we're going to be covering is how to publish this slideshow to the web, okay, and then link it using a QR code. So a couple of kind of cool little things that we're going to be doing here today. So first things first, our slides are completely finished. We have everything on them that we need. We are ready to get this thing linked to a QR code. So a couple things that we have to do first. First thing is we're going to come up to the File button up here, and we are going to tell this to publish this to the web. Okay, what that means is we're actually going to take a view-only copy of this slideshow, put it on the web so that somebody could go to it. So it's in essence a website is kind of what it is. This is what we're turning it to. So I'm going to say publish to the web. When I click publish it to the web, we're going to get this little box that pops up here, okay? And we're going to say, right here it says auto advanced slides. We're going to change this time to actually make it take 10 seconds because we want our audience, people are looking at these slides, to have enough time to read, especially some of them that have a lot of writing on them. So change it to 10 seconds. And then also make sure you check these two boxes here. We want this slideshow to start as soon as the player loads, and we want our slideshow to restart after the last one's played. So it just does this loop where it's constantly going. So if you've ever noticed the little TV that's over by the office that has the slides that are constantly going, this is the exact same way that I created that. And so it's just a website that will constantly cycle through those slides and won't stop. So it's kind of cool. Now, when you do that, your page is going to look a little different than mine. I've been kind of playing around with this just a little bit, but you're going to click on where it says publish. There's going to be a button here that says publish. You're going to click that publish, okay? And then this little box right here is going to be highlighted. You're going to go ahead and say, you're going to click on Control+C to copy it, or you can right click and copy it, but you're going to copy that website address, okay? Copy that website address. Now, after you've done that, we're good to go here, okay? Now we're going to go to a website that I have also shared with your teachers, so it should be on Classroom, but this is the QR code generator.com. And on this website, you're going to, there's a lot of different ways that you can link to QR codes. We're going to link a URL, which is a website. And what we're going to do is we're going to right click and paste, or use the Control-V shortcut to paste our website in there. It gives us an option to shorten our URL because this is a very long URL. So if you click that button, it will shorten it for you, which is kind of nice. And then this is now your QR code. So this code right here is actually what will link to your slideshow. So when somebody sees this QR code and they scan that with their phone, it's going to redirect them right to your slideshow that is running. So it's just kind of a cool thing. So that's it right there. You're going to go ahead and click on the button that says Save. And in the file name, it would be a very smart idea for you to put your name. Not the words your name, but your actual name. Put that on the file name because we're going to be, I'm not really exactly sure how we're going to get these printed off. We may create our own documents and save them that way. I'll show you how to do that, and we may just upload those so the teachers can do it as well. But still, save it with your name. That will be the best thing to do, okay? So after you're done with that, we're going to save it as a PNG file, which is just an image file, and then say save. And when you do that, it should drop down in here. Now, if you're on a Chromebook, this may look slightly different, okay? But I still believe it should kind of drop down here, hopefully, okay? If not, I'll kind of show you another way that you can find that image. Now, the next thing we need to do is we're probably going to need to create a document in Classroom. So go back to Google Classroom, and you should have, you know, where you got your slides at. Down below, click on the Create button, do Create Document, just a plain document, and we're going to paste this URL there so we can print it off cut it out and stick it on our poster. Okay, so go ahead and do that. I'm going to get a document open here myself. We'll come back and then I'll show you how to get that QR code stuck on there and get it so it can print off. Okay, so open up a document and then come right back to this video. All right, so I have my document up here now, and so this is how you're going to put your QR code in. It's very simple. All you have to do is just grab from down here, drop it in here, and your QR code is then made, which is pretty simple. You can make this bigger if you want to. You don't want to make it huge because you'll lose a lot of resolution on it and make it not so sharp. But like this would be plenty size, plenty big enough, ready to print now. That's pretty simple, ready to roll here. You just go to File, hit print, print it to the lab. It'll print in black and white. You're all set. You can just kind of cut that out and post it to your poster. Now, if on your Chromebook you don't see this, it doesn't drop down here in this little tray here. Instead, what you're going to do is come up to the Insert Image, and then you should be able to find it somewhere in here. I can't remember exactly which one this is up here, but pick one of these little menus that are up along the top, and you should be able to search it and then find it on your Chromebook. It should be in the download section of your Chromebook. If you have any troubles with that, ask your teacher. If I'm in the building, you can definitely come and ask me too. So that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do. With that, you should be finished with all of your digital stuff on your agriculture job slideshow. So again, if you have any problems or questions, need something, watch the video again or ask for help. Good job. See you later.
Step 13. Enjoy popular music.
Top the charts again. Everything is awesome.
Oh my gosh, I love this song.
Everything is awesome.